I've been holding on to this mini-sized cast iron skillet that came in a cookie kit for an individual size cookie. And I know what I want to do with it. I am actually going to make a little mini cast iron pumpkin for the fall that's coming up very soon. I am putting some Elmer's glue into the bottom of the skillet and spreading it around with the sponge brush. I am just trying to coat just the bottom of the skillet. I have just enough leftover orange paint from a previous project, and I'm just going to skim very lightly over the top of the glue, as this is what's going to create the crackling technique when it dries. The crackling is going to give this pumpkin a rustic look. I have a nice coating of orange paint over the glue now. These are small sticks or branches that I picked up off of my deck that I will be using to make this pumpkin. I am using E6000 glue because I have it handy. I want you to see how cool this crackling technique came out on this pumpkin skillet. I previously cut the sticks to the appropriate size for our little skillet pumpkin, and I will be using our E6000 to glue them down to the skillet. I'm just looking at the sticks and putting them how I feel they will look cool on the pumpkin. I tried to cut the part of the sticks where there was a little curve. I like how it is looking so far. So I have this twine that I got at the Dollar Tree, and this particular twine has a wire inside of it, and I'm going to take and clip just a certain length off, and then I'm going to take and actually remove the metal wire that's on the inside. So I'm just going to pull that right out. With as many crafts and DIY I do, I'm sure I can use that wire in the future. So I unraveled the twine into little stringlets, if you will. And I'm just making a single knot here and pulling it nice and snug, and then I'm going to make one more knot to keep it secure. Trimming it to the length I need. Fluffing out the little stringlet twine. This is a piece of a stick that I cut that's going to be the stem for the pumpkin, and I cut at the top at an angle. E6000 to adhere it. Oh, I think it's coming out so cute. I am going to put a coating of Mod Podge on top of our pumpkin to keep the paint sealed, and it will also help to just keep these sticks sealed onto the pumpkin as well. And here we go. Anticipation. I don't need much for this little pumpkin. I am using the sponge brush first to just put most of the Mod Podge onto our pumpkin, but I will follow up with using a small brush just to get off any excess and to make sure to get around the sticks pretty well. If I accidentally get some Mod Podge on the side of the skillet, it's no biggie because I can just wipe it off before it dries. Now we just wait and let it dry. Look at this cast iron skillet pumpkin. It is so cute, won't take up much space, but it'll be a little decoration in our kitchen or wherever we choose to give the fall vibe. Another PJ's Garage creation. If you enjoyed this video, pop that subscribe button, like, and share. And as always, thank you.